Welcome to rtsir tutorials. Today you are going to learn about list in HTMLs and description in HTML. So how to write a list with HTML language on the web page and description in HTML. So let's get started without any delay. If you are new in this channel, please do like, subscribe, share and comment so that I can be motivated to post like these videos in the future. So let's see. First of all, we will see list in this HTML. So how to write, you can see, I will show you the output first. Yes, so you can see here list in HTML, ordered list. So there are generally two types of list: ordered list, unordered list, okay, and a descriptive list. So first one, order list, how it is written, like if anything, any list, any item, list of items given in a numberings, that is called as a order list because it is in some sort of numberings. Okay, just like you can see here, a b c is given, so three item is there: coffee, tea and cold, and you are saying that a b and c is the index values which are representing an order. First a value is coffee, that means in first coffee is there, in second b tea is there, in third c cold is there. So you can change this a b and c also, like you can change it in roman numbers, that means I1, ii2, ii3. Okay, you can change it into small a, small b, small c. You can change it into number 1 2 3. Okay, so like this we have a lot of types in this order list. So I will show you that how to write in HTML and which tag are used to do these types of tasks. Similarly, in order list we did a numbering or some sort of order is there. Okay, and in on order list we just have some bullets. Bullets means whatever we have written that will be in point, but it doesn't have any order. Okay, it doesn't show any order, first this then second that. Such things is not present in on order list. So no sort of no any order is there in on order list. Like you can see here, a square box is given in front of the point: coffee square box, tea square box. So this is not representing any order, but as you can see it is in order, but it's not, it does not have any unique index. Okay, so we cannot say this is in order. And one more thing, you can also change these bullets into other forms, like you can change it into circle. Okay, circle will be like this, and you can, by default, if you don't want to change this, it will be in this one, it will be the black color one. Okay, so like this you can change whatever you like, and you can write a point wise any items, list of items in HTML web page, in the document of web page. So in similarly you can see here, like a description list, how a description list is written. So coffee is there, so about the coffee some description is there. This is a descriptive term and this is a descriptive things, whatever you have to write about the this term. Okay, and this one is a, it is about defining the terms, it is about the defining terms, and is a descriptions of that particular term: milk, white, cold and drink, something is written there. So in this way description list, order list and unordered list can be written. Now I'll show you the code and explain it code how it is working. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so first of all we will see order list, how it is written. So starting from the html tag, body tag open, h1, that means heading 1, we want to write that particular heading 1, that is we are going to study list in HTML, so I have written the h1 as a heading, as a list in items. Next heading, that means h2, it will be smaller than this h1, so ordered list, and inside it what I have written is ol tag. So as I told you, for order list you have to write the tag name ol tag, and I also told you that in some sort of order will be written in. OL will be written in some sort of order. Now you can see here that OL space type equal to A. If I will write here 1, then the order will be 1, 2 and 3. If I will write here small a, it will be A, B and C. If I will write capital letter A, and it will show as A, B, C in a capital letter. If I will write Roman number, then it will be written as Roman. Okay, so I have written this opening tag OL tag type equal to A. Then after li tag, so whatever the list is there, you can write here using this li tag. Li tag will just define the list items. Okay, so list coffee and list close, again list tea, list close, list cold, and whatever the list you have you can add here till whatever you want, up to where you want, and you can close the OL tag here, and up to this much order list will be shown as per your list items. Again coming to next, it became the order list. Now next one, on order list. So h2, again another heading I am giving. Okay, so on order list, in on order list there is a tag that is named ul tag. So ul tag, it also have types, as I already told you. You can write a square, you can write a circle, or you can just leave it as a ul tag and it will give you a default bullet that is 0.1. Okay, so ul tag type equal to square I have written. List, in list items what I have given coffee, in list item again I have given tea, and ul tag close, body close and html close. The whole program is closed here, and you will see the finally output as this one. So list in htmls, or in order list ol tag a b c u r, then after on order list square. If you give circle, then it will show like this. If you give desc desk, then it will give point, that is by default value. Okay, so this became the order list and on order list. Now coming to descriptive. Okay, descriptive list, how a descriptive list is written in another program I am showing you. So html tag, body tag, heading to a description list has to close, and here you are using three types of tag, that is dl tag, that means you are writing description list tag, that means dl tag, you start here opening. Then after dt, that means which term you are going to define, you have to write that particular term between the dt tag. Okay, between dt open and dt close tag. Next, and the term is coffee, and whatever you want to write about the coffee, that you should write under the dd tag. That means you are defining the description. This is defining the term and this is defining the descriptions. Whatever you want to write about the coffee, you should have to write inside the dd tag. That means dd black hot, I have given minus sign also, and drink, and dd close. Same way again another term dt, defining the term milk, and whatever you want to write about the milk, you can write that under the dd tag. Okay, so dd tag white cold drink, so milk is the white cold drink, and dd close. And at last again dl was opened left and it is closed here. That means we are going to close our description list, that's it. And you can close the body tag, then after html tag, and you can see the output as this one. So our description list, coffee is the defining term, descriptive term, and description defining the descriptions. And in milk, whatever you want to write about the milk, you can see here. What about the coffee? Black hot drink. So in this way a list is completed in HTML. So see you in the next video, and till that, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe the channel so that you can get the more tutorials about the programmings and web technology. Thank you.